Good luck tonight, Tishan.
Thank you.
I'm desperate to get my first win of the series. Here we go with game number 1. Guys, put yourselves behind the button, please, would you, for the first time tonight. We are going to begin the spin. The spin will begin. And because it is time for our first game of the night, it's time for World of Pop. And here to help us play, from Blue, it's the fantastic Duncan James!
Hello, can we also welcome the push-the-button lederhosen and lovelies? And they are lovely. Duncan, thanks for coming on the show. Are you ready to belt out a few tunes for us tonight?
Yeah, I'm really excited. Bring it on.
Good.
Now, as you know, Blue are representing the UK in this year's Eurovision Song Contest. So Duncan has been learning some well-known pop songs in German. How's your German, Duncan?
Yeah, say good, Ant.
Wunderbar! Now, all you have to do in this game is identify the songs Duncan is singing in German. Duncan, could you give us an example?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, off you go.
Okay, everyone, I want you to count in German with me. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, 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 oh. Ich war im Heiß, zeig ihm, was ich hab. Oh, 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 oh. Ich war im Heiß, zeig ihm, was ich hab. Kennt dich nicht, nein, kennt mein Pokergesicht nicht, Pokergesicht nicht.
There we are.
Yes. Very good. Thank you.
Did you get it? Did you get that one? What do you think? Anybody? Any guesses?
Poker face.
Poker face, lady. Go.
Oh, poker face.
That's what it is. Now, you two are going to hear Duncan sing 3 songs a cappella in German. As soon as he starts, your money will start counting down by £300 per second. When you think you know, when you think you recognise the track, buzz in and give us your answer. If you get it right, you'll then lock another £5,000 off your opponent's total.
If you're both ready, hands by your sides. Duncan, it's over to you, please. Can we have our first song?
Yes, I do apologise for my bad German, by the way. Okay, here we go. On the count of 4, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Du gehst mir einfach nicht aus dem Kopf. Junge, deine Liebe ist alles, woran ich denk. Du gehst mir einfach nicht aus dem Kopf. Junge, es ist mehr, als ich zu denken wage. La la la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Du gehst mir einfach nicht aus dem Kopf.
You've buzzed. Bianca, what do you think it is?
Under my skin.
Under your skin is the wrong answer. I'm afraid you're frozen out.
So, Tishan, you can hear the whole thing again. You want to do that?
I will hear it, yes,
All right,
please.
let's hear it again. You can buzz in as soon as you think you know the answer.
Thank you.
Duncan, back to you.
Thanks, Bianca. I've got to do it all again now.
I think I'll wait back to listen to it one more time.
Come on, then.
Off you go.
Duncan,
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Du gehst mir einfach nicht aus dem Kopf.
What's going away, Tishan?
Can't get you out of my head.
Bye.
Kylie Minogue.
Is right! Very good. As you get to knock £5,000 off the straw and just push the button.
I'm sorry, Bianca.
There you are. Don't apologise. All's fair in love and war.
OK, then, can we have the second song, please, Duncan?
Yes, you can. Okay, right, we're going to count to 3 this time. 1, 2, 3.
Gib mir ein Leben voller Versprechen und eine Welt voller Träume. Du, sprich die Sprache der Liebe, ob es ist nur, was sie bedeutet. Ich kann nicht vor sein.
Bianca, you buzzed in. What is it?
Simply the Best.
Bye.
Tina Turner.
It's correct! Sorry, I just get carried away. Well done to you. You get to knock £5,000 off the Simpsons. Just push the button. Well done.
Well done. You've got one each here. Come on, this is a decider one. Duncan, over to you for our final track.
Okay, last one. Good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Was will nur verbergen? Tut's die ganze Zeit. Warum will kein König sein? Denn als König wär frei. Kann es wirklich...
Attention! Go on.
Can you feel the love?
When? No. In my heart is the wrong answer. We can offer it or you can hear more.
Do you want to hear more or do you want to take a guess?
Can I hear more?
OK, Duncan, it's back over to you.
Thanks, Bianca. Right, here we go.
You can buzz in, remember? Off you go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Was will nur verbergen? Tut's die ganze Zeit. Warum will kein König sein? Denn als König wär frei. Kann es weg?
She's buzzed! She's buzzed. What's the name of the song?
Can you feel the love tonight?
Yes! Well done, Bianca. Diane and John, of course. Thank you very much, Duncan. And you get to knock another £5 off The Simpsons. Just push the button.
There we go. Well done. Unlucky, Tisha. You were so close to getting that one in the end. But you both did very well in that one. Not a lot in after round one. 76,500 plays 71,500. Let's hear it one more time for Tish and Bianca. And, of course, Duncan James.